I've got this Husky weed whacker trimmer. I took the carb off because I was trying to figure out why it wouldn't run properly. If you had the carburetor on there, you'd prime it, you'd choke it and start it. It'd run for a little bit, take the choke off, it'd run for a few seconds, then die. So then I also started having a little fuel leak. Wasn't sure where it's from. Checked the spark plug was fine, so it wasn't plug. Air filter still clean like it's new. This is the air filter. And then I took off the carburetor and the air box, and this is what I found. So this little piece right here of fuel line, this is the new one. I've already shoved it in there. It was just hanging on right there like that, and it just had worn out, and half of it was cracked to where it wasn't getting fuel. So that's why it wouldn't run very long. So we already got this new one fed in, and we're gonna throw the carburetor back on and see if it runs properly. Alright, so that top one's the return. The bottom yellow one is our fuel line for the inlet, and then that black is our cable we gotta put on top here. We got our bolts on through this back side, and then we got our little gasket on. The bolts are holding the air box, the carb, and the gasket all together. I'm gonna lift up on this and mount it up. We screwed that one on and that one. Just got our carburetor and air box. Now I've got to loop this cable through the little mounts there, the plastic mounts on the top of the air box. This is our fuel air breather, and then we got our cable mounted up, so that's all wound in between there. We got our return line, the blue one, and then our orange one in the bottom for our line. We're gonna go ahead and throw air cleaner, air filter in there, and then get our air box here and put that on. And then we'll start it up and see if it runs properly. Okay, so it's back together. We're gonna prime it, choke, sweet. Alright, so it wasn't running this long before, so that's good. Now we'll go out and try and test it on some grass, weeds. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you ever have a problem like that, it'll only run when you're priming it. It's either your carburetor's not getting fuel line, or fuel filter's messed up. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, go subscribe to the channel. Hit that button, hit the like button, because we make alright content around here. So, thank you guys for watching.